Well, hey everybody, Roadtrip Dave here coming at you from Epcot. That's right, my roadies, we are here at Epcot, as you can see. Today we're going to ride on one of the best rides in Walt Disney World, Test Track. Here we are at the main entrance to this awesome experience. This ride was remodeled almost 6 years ago, and it has become a favorite for many returning guests here at the resort. As we get checked in for this ride, please remember to choke slam that like button since it really helps me on YouTube. Don't forget to leave a comment and share this video too. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to know when I post new videos and live streams. And of course, please follow my channel on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, with the links in the description below. Now you'll notice that Fast Pass holders for this ride and single riders are both in the same line. Single riders will usually have much shorter waits than the standby line guests, but your party will be separated to different cars. If you have kids under the age of 7, you won't be able to use this line because those children have to be accompanied with someone at least the age of 14. I just love the theming of this remodeled version of Test Track. It's futuristic, it builds excitement, and it just oozes sleek and coolness. Over there is the standby line. I highly recommend reserving Fast Passes for this ride, as it easily reaches wait times of 90 to 120 minutes. Our own Fast Pass line leads you directly to the design studio, where you get to design your own car. While you wait for the doors to open to the studio, you'll get some very clear instructions on how to use the touchscreen monitors for making the vehicle. Here we go. The touchscreens guide you on creating a test vehicle that will be scored on capability, efficiency, responsiveness, and power. I do apologize, as I did not film us designing the car. As you can tell, there was a lot of input from my kids. After you finish your car, you come up to another queue that leads you to the entrance portal, which goes to the actual ride.
Once you have finished designing your Chevrolet cars, please fill in all the available space and make your way across that yellow line.
As we walk to our gate for the ride, here's a tip. When you get to the gate, make sure you scan your Magic Band or ticket just before you're about to get in the car. The reason for this is that you save your car's design on your Magic Band or ticket, and you load your car's design when you scan them.
For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta del estudio. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
Technology activated.
Welcome to the Sim Track. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging eco-scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Wow, what a ride. I do apologize for the shakiness and the wind noise.
Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our storing area.
When your ride is finished, you can see how your vehicle scored with the other guests' designed vehicles in a large showroom with multiple interactive games and attractions within it. We had a good score, but my wife's and daughter's car beat us by 1 point. Maybe next time we'll do better. The funny thing about this attraction is that you are made to remember that Chevrolet sponsors this ride, with another showroom containing some of Chevrolet's current vehicle offerings, if you ever want to consider buying a new car. From there, we go straight to the souvenir store, which is a perfect place to shop for most car lovers and even some NASCAR race fans. This store has a pretty good selection of test track memorabilia and souvenirs. If you love Corvettes or have a friend or family member who is a fan, there are plenty of t-shirts, cups, and accessories highlighting that car as well. If you have small children who like cars, you'll also find many replica models that are safe to play with, as well as test track vehicles. And with the store being fairly large, you can spend a considerable amount of time shopping here.
So you having sherbet yet?
After the store, we exit the attraction, but you'll notice that the ride screams right above you as we walk underneath the track. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this ride video. Stay tuned for more rides and other videos coming soon from Walt Disney World as well as other destinations. Until then, Dave's Roadies, laters.